In this video I'll explain what water-soluble CBD is. I'll talk about the different types that you can buy, the strengths and also how to use it. As a member of the Cannabis Trade Association, I do need to let you know that we do sell CBD here in the UK as a food supplement only, therefore I can't make any medical claims. I do hope you like this video. If you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you can learn, live and share your CBD journey with me. Let's get into the video. Water-soluble CBD is able to be dissolved in any type of liquid. Now the benefits to this is that our bodies are 60% water, so when we use a water-soluble CBD, some say that it's 5 times more effective than an oil-based CBD because it's more bioavailable in the body. Now the way they make water-soluble CBD is a scientific process using nanotechnology, and what they will do is they will break down the CBD into millions and millions of tiny little particles, which makes it very bioavailable in the body and able to be absorbed very quickly. And it's also great because if, say for instance, you want to give some CBD to a child, or you don't like the taste of CBD, it's really easy just to put it in some orange juice or some water. It's pretty much tasteless, you don't even notice that it's there, but yet you're still getting all of the well-being from the cannabinoids from the CBD. Now it can be added to any type of drink. You can add it to your coffee, you can add it to your orange, your water, your tea, any type of drink, milk. Some people that don't drink alcohol, they like to add a bit of CBD to a non-alcoholic cocktail because then it just makes your evening a bit more pleasant and you don't feel as if you're missing out on anything. Here at Excite for Life CBD shop we sell 2 different types of water-soluble CBD. The first one from CBD Life is a full spectrum water-soluble CBD. This means it contains the whole plant including 0.2% THC. If you want to understand the difference between full spectrum and broad spectrum, you can watch this video here. CBD Life's 400mg full spectrum water soluble CBD is just 1 mg per drop. So it's really easy if you're giving it to a child and you just want to give them 2 or 3 milligrams. It's really easy to do that with this oil because it is just 1 mg per drop. Our second water soluble CBD is from CBD Ultra, and this one is made with an isolate CBD only, so it doesn't contain the rest of the plant, it's just isolate based. Again, this comes in as a 500mg bottle or a 1000mg bottle, and it's either 2.5mg per drop for the 500mg bottle or 5mg per drop for the 1000mg bottle. So to use either of these oils, all you would do is you would get your drink and you would just drip the amount of milligrams in there that you prefer. As I said earlier, for a child I would start on between 1 to 5mg a day. I would start on 1 to 2 and then increase it gradually. For an adult you can start on between 5 to 10mg a day. It's only you that's going to know how much you need by just listening to your body and seeing how you feel and then just adjusting it accordingly. Don't worry, you can't overdose on CBD, so you can't get this wrong. It's just trial and error to find the amount that's right for your body. So if you do want to try water-soluble CBD, you can buy it online from our website exciteforlife.co.uk, or you can visit us at our CBD shop in Cleckheaton, West Yorkshire, and we'd be more than happy to answer any questions. We do have great special offers on. If you buy 2 you get 10% off, buy 3 get 15% off, buy 4 get 25% off, and if you buy 8 you get 30% off, and they can be mixed and matched across our entire range. You could get some water-soluble CBD, you could get some gummies, you could get a vape, you could get some creams, you could get an oil, you could get some coffee, you could get all of it. So I do hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next video all about CBD. Thank you for watching.